Imagine waking up one morning and feeling your arms and legs a little weaker than before. You might think it's just age catching up, but what if I told you there's one simple drink that could help keep your muscles strong and steady? In today's video, we're diving deep into how the right beverages can fight muscle loss and support your strength as you age. Whether you've noticed you tire faster on walks or struggle to lift groceries, these easy-to-make drinks can make a real difference. Muscle shrinkage, also known as sarcopenia, happens when your body breaks down more muscle than it builds, but you don't have to accept that fate. By adding key nutrients like protein, healthy plant compounds, and natural enzymes into your daily routine, you can give your body the tools it needs to repair and maintain muscle tissue. And the best part? All you have to do is sip. Before we jump in, if you find tips like these helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and tap that subscribe button. It helps us bring you more simple, science-backed ways to stay strong and healthy. Ready to learn the 6 best drinks for muscle support? Let's go. 6. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a simple way to boost muscle health as you age. It's packed with natural nitrates that convert into nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and improves blood, oxygen, and nutrient flow to muscle fibers during movement or exercise. Better circulation can enhance endurance, reduce fatigue, and speed recovery after activity. To make beetroot juice, wash and chop a medium beet, blend with half a cup of water, then strain through a sieve or cheesecloth. If the taste is too earthy, mix in a quarter apple or add a squeeze of lemon. Drink about half a cup once or twice daily to feel more energetic and notice improved stamina. Research on seniors indicates that regular beetroot juice intake supports muscle power and decreases tiredness during daily tasks or light workouts. In addition, beets contain antioxidants that protect muscle cells from damage, supporting overall tissue health. Adding this bright red beverage to your diet gives your body what it needs to maintain strength, helping you stay active and independent for longer. 5. Green tea. Green tea is not only a comforting, warm beverage, but also a natural ally against muscle loss and weakness in seniors. It contains powerful antioxidants called catechins that help fight inflammation and protect muscle cells from damage. When your muscles repair more efficiently, you feel less soreness and stay active longer. The gentle boost of caffeine in green tea can also improve focus and energy, without the jitters of stronger drinks. To prepare green tea, steep 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaves in 8 ounces of hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. You can drink it plain, or add a small drizzle of honey for taste. Aim for 2 to 3 cups per day, spaced out between meals. Avoid steeping for too long. Studies in older adults show that drinking green tea regularly can help maintain muscle mass and support healthy aging. Incorporating this simple tea ritual into your daily routine could make a real and noticeable difference in your energy levels, stamina, and overall muscle health. 4. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice offers a delicious way to reduce muscle soreness and support recovery for seniors. It contains anthocyanins and other antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect muscle fibers from damage. During movement, tiny tears form in your muscle tissue, and inflammation follows as your body repairs them. But sometimes swelling and soreness can make daily activities harder. Drinking tart cherry juice after exercise or a long walk can help calm inflammation and relieve tightness in joints and muscles. To prepare a serving, mix half a cup of 100% tart cherry juice with water or sparkling water for a lighter taste. Enjoy it once or twice a day, especially after physical activity. These natural sugars also provide a truly gentle energy lift without the crash of sugary sports drinks. Research on older adults shows that regular tart cherry juice can lower markers of muscle damage and speed recovery. Adding this bright, tangy drink to your routine can keep your muscles looser and help you stay ready for whatever comes next. 3. Milk. Milk has been a go-to drink for generations and for good reason. For seniors, regular protein intake is important because muscle repair slows with age. Drinking milk gives you a quick and versatile source in just 1 glass. Milk contains two main proteins: whey, which digests quickly, and casein, which releases amino acids more slowly. This combination helps your body build and maintain muscle tissue throughout the day. Drinking a glass of milk with meals or as a snack can add 8 grams of protein. Choose low-fat or skim milk to keep calories in check. You can also use milk as a base for smoothies by blending in fruits, vegetables, or a scoop of protein powder. The calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus in milk support strong bones and work with muscles to improve balance and reduce fall risk. Experts recommend aiming for 2 to 3 servings of dairy or dairy alternatives each day to help maintain muscle strength, bone health, and overall vitality. If you have lactose issues, look for fortified dairy substitutes with added protein and calcium. 2. Protein shake. Protein shakes are an easy and effective way to boost muscle repair, making them ideal for seniors. After exercise or between meals, your body needs extra protein to rebuild tears in muscle fibers. A quality protein powder, like whey or plant-based blends, offers a concentrated source of amino acids your body can use quickly. To make a simple shake, mix 1 scoop of protein powder with 8 to 12 ounces of water, milk, or a milk alternative. Blend until smooth, using a blender or shaker bottle. For added flavor, blend in fruits like berries or banana, or stir in a spoonful of nut butter. Aim for 1 shake a day, ideally within an hour of activity to keep your muscles fueled. Choose powders that list protein as the first ingredient and have minimal added sugars. Whey protein is absorbed quickly and contains all essential amino acids, while plant-based powders such as pea or rice protein offer a good option for those with dairy sensitivities. Regular protein shakes can help maintain lean mass, improve strength, and ease daily tasks. 1. Banana yogurt smoothie. The banana yogurt smoothie is the top drink for senior muscle support because it offers a balanced mix of nutrients. Bananas supply easily digested carbohydrates and potassium, an electrolyte that helps prevent cramps. Yogurt adds protein for muscle repair, probiotics, and electrolytes to support gut health and nutrient absorption. Together, they create a simple drink that nourishes your body quickly with protein, electrolytes, and energy. To prepare, peel and slice 1 ripe banana and place it in a blender with half a cup of plain yogurt and half a cup of milk or water. Blend until smooth. If you like, add a teaspoon of honey or a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. Drink this smoothie in the morning or within an hour after activity to help your muscles recover. This drink is gentle on the stomach, making it ideal for seniors with sensitive digestion. It delivers about 10 grams of protein and key vitamins in 1 serving. Enjoying this banana yogurt blend regularly can reduce soreness, improve muscle repair, and keep you moving with confidence. By choosing the right drinks and making them part of your daily routine, you can take a proactive step against muscle loss and keep your strength and vitality as you age. Each of these 6 beverages offers unique benefits, from the circulation boost of beetroot juice to the balanced proteins in a banana yogurt smoothie, and they can fit any budget or taste. By experimenting with what fits your taste and schedule, you'll find a simple, enjoyable way to support your muscles. Remember to listen to your body and consult your doctor before making any dietary changes. Consistency is key. Pick 1 drink, try it for a week, and note how you feel. Share your progress in the comments below. Your story could inspire others. If this video gave you useful ideas, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stronger tomorrow.